Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is Lupin Pharma. Let us see complete details in this video. This is full-time job opportunity. We are hiring for officer quality control. And coming to the education and qualification, B Pharma Msc graduates apply to this position and 2 to 5 years of experience. And job location is Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Submit your application through below QR code. This form is created to capture the candidate personal and professional details. Kindly fill the details as per your experience and document available with you. Don't forget to share your send resume to mention email ID. Please refer description box for HR email ID. For more job updates, please join our WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is available in description box below. These are the details regarding job. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and share to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this video for job updates. Subscribe to YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. Bye. See you in the next video.